Mike has gone up and said he's going to jump.
Hallelujah.
He's giving God the praise. Could be suicide.
Oh my gosh. That's something to think about. You should
just do it. Yeah, we thought about it. Mikey, you do it. I'm right behind you. God is my business. You see, it don't look that bad when you're kneeling like that.
Are you rolling?
Yep. Just kidding. You're running out of tape, you know. Mike looks like he's really gonna go. I'm rolling. He spit.
Y'all want me to go first?
Oh my goodness.
That was wild.
Where's my shoes? Hold up. Where's my shoes?
Mike can't find his shoes. I didn't think he was gonna do that.
Where's my shoes?
This is so good.
What, son? Tell me roll. You the man, Mike.
All right.
Yo, Mike's the man. All right. Snow Blizzard 2010.
Baby, woo!
Spartans for life.
I cannot find my shoes.
It's alright.
Yo, let's leave it, man.
Props to Mike.
Props to Mike.